Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to type right side and also the left side corner on the Google Docs by using a particular method. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to type both sides of the document. For an example, I just going to type as Google Docs here. So I just copy this, and the same thing I just need to type here also. For an example, Google Docs tutorial. So you just click here. So now you don't click on the space here like this. Just go to the ruler option here. Just click on the ruler. You can have option called there's lot of option add to left tab, but you just need to select the add to right tab stop. Just click this. Now click on the tab. You automatically goes to the right side. Now you just paste the same thing. So it's going down. So now I just going to type as tutorial. Okay, now I just need to move this to this corner. You can see option when you added the right tab stop, it automatically there is an option for this. You can move and adjust to the edge of the page by like this. So when you skip to the next line, it automatically this will be closed here. So I just typing the same thing as Google here. So when I'm clicking a tab, it automatically goes to there, and now you just type whatever that you want. For an example, again I just type as Google like this. You can also adjust this particular thing to like this. You can adjust whatever wherever you want. So just click here. You can see a new thing has been appeared here. You can adjust this, and if you click here and another thing arrow mark has been appeared here, you just adjust everything separately. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. If you want more content about Google Docs, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off for Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.